Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a wireless shower speaker from TaoTronics. I've also got some of these which I think are from, no, these are from Tron, but these guys also make cheap Bluetooth devices as well. But this is a shower, so you can use it to sing in the shower. Visit TaoTronics.com. I did buy this from Amazon.co.uk. Wireless shower speaker. 20 quid I think it was. So here's the actual box. There you go, it's a big old suction cup there. Let's check out this tiny little USB cable. It's a micro B wireless shower speaker. So here's the instruction manual. Probably freeze frame it if you wanted to read it. English, German, French, Italian, Japanese. TaoTronics wireless Bluetooth speaker. Charging cable, user manual, Bluetooth version. It's a 3.0, profiles, AED, whatever those are. Range is 10 meters. It's got a 3.7 volt battery, up to 5 hours of working time. Takes 2 hours to charge. 110 grams is the weight. So let's read it. So what we got here, and this is the power button here. Ooh, makes a funny noise. Number 2 is the LED indicator, which is the blue flashing thing. 3 is the volume. That's that, volume up. Volume plus, volume minus. Microphone number 5. There. So you can take calls on it. It's pretty cool. Pause, resume, hands-free button. Hands-free button is number 7. That is this thing there. So I guess if you get a call, press that button and you can take the call while in the shower, which is pretty useful. I don't know if you're self-employed and a client calls you, I'm not sure you would take the call in the shower unless you were a pornographer or something. I don't know. LED indicators, yeah, usual. To charge the speaker, simply connect the charging port with any USB port or charging adapter. The LED indicator will become red during charging and will turn off once fully charged. If the speaker is low in battery, you will hear a regular beep sound. The speaker will automatically turn off in 5 minutes. You can use it while charging. This is in Pidgin Chinese, so watch out. You can use the TD while it is charging. The internal circuit protects device from overcharging. The moment of getting charged, speaker will be reboot and ready for work. So yeah, they haven't, obviously it's a sign of a cheap product when you got Pidgin English on in the manuals. So there we go. I'm going to stick this on and wash myself because I'm dirty. I'm not sure if you can electrocute yourself on 5 volts, whether that would give you a big zinger or not. So there's the port there. Fairly loose thing there, cover, which I'm not sure how waterproof that is. It is sort of at an angle. I don't know if you can see that there. It's kind of, yeah, popping out there. So there we go. That's the unboxing of this, which is really exciting.